So here's one simple way to make sure that you keep your creative juices flowing and just keep your mind focused and at ease, so you can create better art, new art, and not run into art block. Just keep your room clean.
What?
Keep your workspace clean. I guarantee that it will help with your overall flow.
What do you want from me? What do you want from me? What do you want from me, baby? What do you need, baby? What do you want from me?
And it will just help with your overall well-being as an artist and as a person. So yeah, this is me just cleaning up my space and being very, very rudely interrupted twice. Also, another thing, you want to stay physically fit as much as possible.
What, baby? What do you want? What do you want? What do you need? What do you need? Again?
So even when you're cleaning your room, you can do little things to sort of make sure your body is where it needs to be so you can create the best art that you can make. All right. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate you. Be sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at DrugFreeDave. And don't forget to join my private Facebook group, Procreate Tutorials and Guidance. Check me out on Facebook. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon. And as always, keep drawing, and I'll see you in the next video.